How to exchange money in Western Union. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Western Union, and after you create your free account, what you're gonna have to do is simply click on send money. Now the next step is to simply choose in which currency you want to basically exchange the money. So as you can see, I have USD dollar and I want to exchange in Mexican peso. Or if you want, you can simply switch and basically choose from Mexican peso to USD. And after that, what you're gonna have to do is simply choose how do you like to receive the money. So you can either go and pick up the cash or simply on your bank account. Now after that, you're gonna have to basically pay. So you're gonna have to either choose a credit card or bank account, and then they're gonna take you from you $100, and then they're gonna basically send you $100 in Mexican peso. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.